At 3Sixty, we believe we can add immediate value as a consultant, advisor, and business coach. We apply a process methodology with strategic vision and the ability to develop and execute well-defined tactics to support the strategy. During our careers, we have consistently demonstrated the ability to develop a strategy and build high-performance plans, like high-performance vehicles that can deliver high-performance results. Let's start building. Through our unique discovery process, we help you find the answers from within yourselves and the organization to market demands and business challenges. We do this by providing clear communication and walking the talk. We will teach your teams to learn to take control of their day, balance multiple priorities, apply metrics to support required outcomes, follow-up sessions to reinforce a continuous improvement process, and accepting responsibility for their results. Get ready to deliver advanced technologies with operational excellence through your dedicated people who are the best, brightest, most informed, best educated in their industry. Our process will help create an uncompromising culture of integrity, honesty, respect, and service.